everyone, I'm Shreya. Welcome to my channel. By the time I made this video, I was sick, so please don't mind my voice sounds a bit strange. This video is going to be a collaboration with May from May's Life Clips, so check out her video. Both of us are making March plan with May's, so we'd really appreciate if you check it out. Thank you. Let's get started now with this video. This is my birthday month, so I made sure it looks really nice with flowers and everything else. Here I'll be showing you how I made the beginning page for March. Here I'm using brush calligraphy on my scrapbook. So basically, you just push on the bottom lines and you make the thinner lines thin, the lines which go up. If you'd like, I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link in the description for this one YouTuber who is like really good at YouTubing, and she made this lovely little video which teaches you how to do calligraphy. Even the many videos did that. Oh my god, what am I even talking? Let's just move on. So I'm just making flowers, and I'll be very soon making some dots and lines, like very random things, and make it look like a little pretty thing. Well, I'm talking too much. Just keep seeing what I'm doing. Now, this is how my result turned out like. It's not exactly the same, but hey, it doesn't matter. Now, I'm going to be going on my mom's phone and just going through events which is going to be occurring in March. Here you can see I'm highlighting the days on which we have our finals, and there's one particular box which is very colorful and stuff. That is actually my 14th birthday. So I just marked it there, and I wrote down on the left what exams I have, like till what. And by mistake I wrote the wrong thing there. I'm gonna fix it. And I wrote the headings, and that's it. And this is also my mood tracker. I didn't really mention it. Yeah, that's my mood tracker. Okay, bye.